Oh, come on. We're having some fun with you. Don't get nervous.
I have postpartum. I just had my baby and
Tristan Fields. Miss Fields, you have 2 registrations. Your motor vehicle, you want to get in front of the mic, please?
Sure.
Your
Sorry.
motor vehicle has been booted.
This BR776 isn't I had registered it for my kid's father a couple years ago. We've been separated for almost 3 years, and I failed to get the plates back from that car.
Where are the plates now on the BR?
I'm not sure. I
776.
believe that they're seized.
Right here, Miss Fields admits she doesn't know where the plates are, a big red flag legally. Under vehicle registration law, the registered owner remains responsible for all violations tied to that plate, regardless of who's driving. It's a common trap. Helping someone register a car can come back years later to haunt you financially. Viewers, would you ever risk putting a car in your name for someone else?
I don't really have contact with my kid's father like that to know.
Okay. Well, the last time when's the last time you and he were living together?
It's been about 3 years, Your Honor.
Where is he now?
Around Providence.
How many children do you have?
I have 4.
Yeah. How old are they?
13, 9, 8, 4.
And they're all in school?
Absolutely.
On the vehicle that you drive, you have
I know it looks extensive.
13 overnight parking tickets. That means you leave the car in front of your house overnight
Absolutely.
because you don't have a parking space.
Well, I did have a parking space. Well, the Appleton places, I really didn't, but on the Radcliffe, I did. It was just me being exhausted from
Well,
working.
the question I'm asking you is, why do you leave the car on the street?
Just me being exhausted, Your Honor.
Just what? Speaking to the mic.
being exhausted.
Do you work?
I do.
How many hours do you work?
At that time, I was working 30 to 40. I'm a medical assistant.
Well, my question to you is, you have 4 kids,
I do.
and you're getting tickets every night.
This is where the judge's patience starts to wear thin, and for good reason. 13 overnight parking tickets might sound small, but they add up fast. Providence enforces overnight parking restrictions strictly to prevent street congestion and snow removal issues. Still, Tristan's exhaustion is real. She's juggling kids, work, and stress. It's a clash between human fatigue and legal obligation, something every working parent can relate to.
All these tickets, you're getting tickets parking in front of the house. When are you going to learn your lesson?
I've learned him.
Do you have a parking space now where you can park the car?
Absolutely.
What else do you want to tell me about this?
I'm just trying to get my life together. I understand I do owe on parking tickets. I don't want to be negligent to that, but I'm just trying to get my life in order. I'm raising my children on my own, and doing the best that I can.
This is one of the most heartfelt moments in the courtroom. You can hear it in her voice. She's not defiant, just overwhelmed. She admits her faults, takes accountability, and still shows humility. The judge recognizes that. What do you think? Should courts weigh life struggles when deciding fines? Or should rules be rules, no matter the circumstances?
Here's the issue. First of all, trust me, I understand that you have 4 kids. And I know what it entails to have 4 children and to be the sole support of those kids. And for you doing that and working like you do, I congratulate you. I understand that. I understand that if you're tough and you don't have money, that the last thing on your mind is paying parking tickets because you have to feed the kids, you have to get the kids clothes, you have to take care of the kids. So that's your priority. I understand that too. You know, I'm having trouble understanding why, given all of those issues, that you continue to park on the street overnight. I'm not being critical. I'm not trying to criticize you. I should be congratulating you on some parts of your life that you take care of your kids and you're working. But it's irresponsible of you. You give me an excuse. Well, I'm tired. We're all tired. You know, if you're tired and you got a bunch of money and you want to pay the tickets, good. Be tired. But you're tired. You got 4 kids. That's your obligation. And you got all these tickets are foolish. I mean, these aren't crimes. It's just irresponsibility when it comes to parking. So you have 2 parts to your life. On this part with your kids, you're very responsible, right? You're a loving, caring mother, and you're working, trying to take care of the kids. On the other hand, right, you're doing something that's hurting that good part of you by being irresponsible. So I want to help you. Right.
And here comes the twist: instead of punishment, compassion steps in. The judge is about to use his judicial discretion, meaning he's choosing mercy over enforcement. He's acknowledging her struggle while still reminding her of responsibility. This is a textbook example of restorative justice, the idea that sometimes helping someone is more effective than fining them.
Now, here's the deal. Don't come back. Okay. When you get tired, say, I'm not that tired that I can't go move the car. Okay? Move the car, because that's your problem. I mean, I also understand that in some municipalities you can park on the street overnight. You can't do that in Providence. Right. There's a wonderful gentleman by the name of Stephen Foraquin from Legacy Oaks Court in Midland, Texas.
This is incredible. A man from Texas, moved by the struggles of strangers, sends money to help people like Tristan. That's humanity at its best. The donor's act of kindness transforms a courtroom into a moment of hope. Let's be real, it's rare to see justice and compassion working hand in hand like this. Would you ever send money to help someone you've never met just to give them a second chance?
And he has occasion to view some aspects of this court, and he actually sent me 6 $50 tickets. And what he said in the letter was, as I sit far away in Midland, Texas, my heart breaks for those before you who just need a little break. So he asked that I would use this, to use my discretion. I'm going to use one of these to help you pay your fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we're going to remove the boot. Compliments of Mr. Stephen Baraquan, okay?
Thank you.
Actually, his wife's name is on the check too, Tammy. So we want to thank Tammy as well.
Thanks, Tammy.
That's going to release the boot. Now you get a total of $250. How much can you pay a week?
$50? I could pay $200 today.
Well, I'm going to have you pay $100 today. Okay.
Thank you.
And we'll credit this as well. So now you have a balance of $150. How much can you pay a week?
50.
You can't pay 50 a week. All right, 25 a week.
Okay, that's more realistic.
I'm not going to waste the city's resources chasing the father of your children, because it's going to be an exercise in futility. The tickets go back 5 years. We're never going to find them. I can't really change it to his name anyway. I can't change that to his name. We're never going to get the money. So even though you are responsible for that, I'm going to take a big burden off your head. Okay, I'm going to dismiss those tickets, even though they're in your name. You are legally responsible for them, and I'm exercising my judicial discretion. I'm going to dismiss them.
Thank you so much.
So that's not hanging over your head, okay? Pay this, move the car, continue to be a good mother, and God love you. Good luck to you.
God bless you. Thank you.
This case reminds us that justice isn't just about the law, it's about understanding the people behind it. Tristan made mistakes, but she also showed honesty, responsibility, and heart. The judge balanced compassion with accountability, proving that empathy has a place in the courtroom. What did you think? Was the judge too lenient or perfectly fair? If you found this case as touching and thought-provoking as we did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life courtroom breakdowns.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Alondra, you have 3 parking tickets and a red light violation. Let's look at the red light. It's,
Okay.
let's take a look. This is on North Main and Branch Avenue. What's the time on that?
.4.
The city allows you 0.2 of a second, and you went through the light 0.4 of a second. But the reason is she was trying to stop, but then she didn't stop. So I'm going to give you a break on the red light violation.
Here's what the judge means. Red light cameras in Providence allow a grace period of 0.2 seconds. Alandra's car crossed the line at 0.4 seconds, which is barely half a blink longer. Technically, that's a violation. But judges often review whether there was intent. Was she racing through the light we're trying to stop? In this case, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the effort.
I don't know about stopping. I didn't see any brake lights.
She was stopping.
27 miles an hour?
She was trying to stop.
Okay.
Were you trying to?
Oh, I see it now, Judge.
Get close to the mic. Were you trying to
I was
stop?
looking at the wrong
I
video.
was.
Watch this. Look at her.
Yes.
Were you trying to stop?
This moment hits hard. Alandra admits she just had a baby and is suffering from postpartum anxiety. That's a real and often misunderstood condition that can cause overwhelming stress and fear. You can feel her breaking down, not because of the fine, but because life has become too heavy. This courtroom just turned from legal to deeply human. How would you have reacted in her place?
Oh, come on. We're having some fun with you. Don't get nervous.
I have postpartum. I just had my baby and
All right.
I'm sorry.
Just relax. Honey.
There's some Kleenex for you. There's some Kleenex for you.
I'm sorry.
All right.
I know it's not that big, but it's me. It's me.
Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. We'll put you at ease. Tell us about the baby.
Well, he's 2 months.
Baby's 2 months old?
Yeah.
What's the baby's name?
Brayson.
Yeah. How many children do you have?
This is my first.
Yeah. Well, it's a wonderful event.
I'm sorry.
You can see how emotional weight builds up for new mothers. She's apologizing for crying, but she doesn't need to. This is a glimpse into the pressure so many young parents face. The judge, instead of getting impatient, shifts into comfort mode. He becomes more than a judge, he becomes a father figure, reminding her that empathy still exists inside the justice system.
I'm so sorry.
No worries. No worries. Just relax and don't be concerned.
All right, let me ask you a question.
I'm so sorry.
No, don't apologize. Take your time. Don't worry about it.
Don't be sorry. What are you nervous about?
Everything. I've never been to court.
Okay, am I making you nervous?
I'm so sorry.
No. I'm not trying to make you nervous. All right, let me tell you what we're going to do. We're going to dismiss the red light ticket. Okay? Because even though Inspector Quinn was questionable, I think you were trying to stop.
I did notice that afterwards, Judge.
Did you notice you were trying to stop?
I did.
All right,
I
now
was
he
look-
thinks you're trying to
I
stop,
was looking at the
too,
wrong
okay?
video.
So that helps you. Now you got three $20 parking tickets. They have all tripled to $60. I'm going to waive the penalties. So it's going to cost you a total of $60.
This is an incredible example of judicial discretion. The judge just waived all penalties, that means she'll pay only the base fine, not the inflated late fees. Normally, tickets triple after 21 days, but he's choosing compassion over policy. It's not favoritism, it's fairness in context. She's a new mom, not a repeat offender, and that matters.
For everything.
I'm so sorry for crying. I'm so sorry.
And you got a boot fee of $100. The boot fee is mandatory. How much of that can you pay today?
I have 60 on me.
All right, I'm going to release the boot. I'm not going to take the $60 from you. You got a baby, so
Okay, that's fine.
I'm going to release the boot.
Okay.
All right, then how much can you pay a week after that?
I'm just waiting for my TCI to come in.
You can just mail it in. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Okay.
They'll tell you where to mail it. But how much can you pay a week?
I can do 20.
20 is fine.
That's
Can you
fine.
afford 20?
I'm just waiting to see how much I would get from my TCI. And then after that, I can send out how much you guys need me to send out.
No, don't overdo it. Take care of the baby first, then worry about the parking tickets.
Okay.
Okay? Nothing bad is going to happen here. Right, do you understand that? All right, just
And this is the twist no one saw coming: the judge releases the car boot without collecting a single dollar. That's almost unheard of. But what you're witnessing is humanity taking precedence over procedure. Sometimes, the law bends not to break rules, but to lift someone who's breaking under life's pressure. That's what true justice looks like.
relax. Just
I'm trying.
I almost never, ever release a boot unless we get $100. Almost never. In your case, I'm going to release it with no money. Okay?
Okay.
I almost never do that.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
In the end, this wasn't just about traffic violations, it was about seeing the person behind the paperwork. Judge Caprio showed the world that justice isn't only about punishment, it's about understanding. Alandra walked in nervous and broken, but she walked out with dignity and hope. If this story moved you as much as it moved us, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a little hope today, and subscribe for more real-life courtroom moments that remind us what compassion and justice truly looks like.